Hello, hello. I'm Helen Wooding. I'm the assistant team manager within the adult short-term team. Started off many years ago as a carer and did some bits and pieces while the kids were little because it fitted around family life, and got quite interested in continuing to do a little bit more academic. So I then gained a qualification to be a counsellor, and it was from then that I applied to do my occupational therapy degree. Started as a basic grade and came into Wrexham newly qualified, and I have been sort of a guinea pig in lots of different training opportunities, career progression route, because originally it was only when a post would be available you could apply for that post, but my management and other colleagues felt I was doing above and beyond my current grade, so they asked if I would participate in this pilot to do the career professional development route, doing that role for a couple of years, and then a senior practitioner post became available, so I was kind of gently persuaded to apply for the post because I was doing it anyway, and it was only the fact that it would be either me or another person, and I thought there was a preference for me to get the post. So management was never on the agenda. It wasn't something that I ever thought I would do. You never know until you come into the office what's going to come on the back of probably the day before as well. So usually it's just touching base with everybody, making sure that everybody is okay with their caseload and that they feel that they've got enough support in the relevant areas. I'm very much a nurturer. I'm classed as the mother hen of the team, which is lovely. I always make sure that everybody else is okay, and then I'll start looking through emails and prioritising accordingly to see which task needs to be dealt with in priority, really, because you can get urgent requests on a daily basis, and then it's just looking at wobbling all the plates and making sure that you're addressing the right concerns. Every single part of it, even the challenging aspects, are so rewarding. I love palliative care, and it's something I guess I've specialised in. I put lots of measures in place to develop the areas within palliative care because I felt within social services we were not giving everybody an equitable service. So did some joint working with health colleagues and developed some guidelines to ensure that everybody's seen in a timely manner. And it isn't for everybody, I'm aware of that, but just to take part in the dynamics of a family when their loved ones at their end of life, for me it's just so rewarding. It just makes you realise what an amazing job this is, and the fact that we are allowed to be creative within social care and we have to think outside the box. Again, it just ticks all the boxes that when you qualified, this for me is a perfect role. I don't think I would fit in health as comfortable as I do here, because it just allows the creativity here, and I still pinch myself every month for getting paid for this, and that's 10 years after qualifying. So yeah, it is so rewarding and so different, so diverse. It can be challenging, it does come with its problems, but it's just having that insight to deal with them and then move on to the next problem or solution.